Welcome to Bengali Q channel. Today's recipe is Mughlai Paratha, which is a Bengali street food consisting of a paratha, stuffed or wrapped around chicken keema or egg, along with other vegetables. Let us go through the ingredients required to prepare this crispy and tasty street food. Maida 140 gram. Chicken keema 3 to 4 tablespoons. 2 eggs, salt as per taste and oil as required. Let's prepare dough first. In maida add 1 teaspoon salt and 4 tablespoon oil. Mix it nicely till you can make lumps. Add water and knead it. Dough is ready. Cover it by damp cloth and let it rest for 45 minutes. While the dough rests, we will make the chicken keema filling ready. Take 2 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add 3 to 4 tablespoon chicken keema and sauté it for 1 to 2 minutes. Now adding 2 beaten eggs with pinch salt. Sauté the mixture very nicely till the egg gets cooked. Chicken keema filling is ready to use. Time to roll out the dough. Take 1 teaspoon oil on the working place, as it will help to smoothly roll out the dough to a thin sheet. Make it thin as much as you can. Spread out the mixture on the middle of the rolled out thin dough sheet. On top of the filling, spread 3 to 4 tablespoons of beaten egg. Now fold it like an envelope. Brush the egg liquid on sides as it will work as glue and will prevent the envelope to open. Shallow fry this stuffed envelope at medium flame or temperature. After every 1 to 2 minutes, flip it. While frying, press it gently so that the inside filling get cooked. Mughlai Paratha is cooked. We can see a very nice color from all sides. It has become crispy also. Enjoy Mughlai Paratha along with tomato ketchup and salad. Thank you for watching. If you like my recipes, don't forget to subscribe.